we're going to differentiate x squared plus 3x to the power 6. We're going to look at both techniques for applying the chain rule, and it's important that you practice so that you can do the chain rule quickly and accurately. Often the chain rule is just part of a larger problem. So here we have y is x squared plus 3x to the power 6. If we let u be x squared plus 3x, then y is equal to u to the power 6. du dx is just 2x plus 3, and dy du would be 6u to the power 5. Forming our chain, dy dx is equal to dy du multiplied by du dx. dy du is 6u to the 5, and du dx is 2x plus 3. So we get 6 times the 2x plus 3, and of course u is x squared plus 3x, so we get x squared plus 3x to the power 5. Looking at this by the alternative approach, x squared plus 3x to the power 6, we can identify the outside function as being x to the 6, and the inside function as being the x squared plus 3x. We differentiate the outside function, treating the bracket as if it is just x. So we get 6 times the bracket to the power 5. Remember, x to the 6 differentiates to 6x to the power 5. We then multiply by the differential of the inside function, and we now have our differential, but we just reorder it to make it look neater.